Wrestling with a chaotic kitchen countertop buried under a mountain of separate, single-use appliances, or waiting forever for a massive conventional oven to preheat just to end up with dried-out proteins or unevenly baked treats is an absolute nightmare that completely drains the joy out of cooking. Traditional toaster ovens leave you trapped with weak airflow and basic manual dials that turn mealtime into a frustrating guessing game. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo completely rescues you from kitchen clutter and culinary guesswork, functioning as a high-powered, commercial-grade countertop workstation engineered to deliver rapid, chef-quality results at the touch of a button. Don't let its sleek, space-saving footprint fool you. This brushed stainless steel powerhouse boasts a massive 26-quart internal capacity that easily accommodates a whole 12-pound turkey, a 12-inch pizza, or up to 6 slices of toast simultaneously. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its versatile, dual-zone design featuring elegant, single-hand open French doors alongside a staggering 24 preset cooking functions matrix. Driven by advanced 360-degree quick cook convection technology, it circulates superheated air at high velocities to crisp food perfectly with up to 70% fewer calories from fat compared to traditional deep frying, eliminating the need to rotate your trays mid-cook. Engineered to fit seamlessly into a fast-paced, upscale lifestyle, this smart combo features intuitive digital controls and an easy-to-read LED display that takes all the mystery out of precise time and temperature adjustments. It comes entirely complete with 7 premium accessories, including a crisper basket, rotisserie spit, baking pan, and wire rack, giving you everything needed to air fry, bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, or slow cook instantly. With its easy-to-clean interior and elegant chef-inspired aesthetics, it is the ultimate, uncompromised kitchen upgrade for busy families, home entertainers, and apartment dwellers who demand professional-grade cooking performance without sacrificing valuable counter space. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are using this extra-large French door oven to rotisserie a whole chicken or to air-fry crispy family-sized meals. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart kitchen appliances, cooking gear reviews, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.